Welcome, Dan Land Pro here. We talked about doing something on the new Photoshop as far as the new Harmonize tool, the new background drop tool, and some of the other bells and whistles. Not that many that they put in the new Photoshop. Not beta, but the new Photoshop. So it's now in Photoshop. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. The first thing we're going to show you is how to use generative fill in ways that you might not have thought about using AI. So we got our contextual menu here. If you don't see it, let's go to Windows, come down here. You see where it say contextual taskbar? See what we're going to get rid of it. See where it say contextual taskbar? That'll bring it right up. So now that we got that, what I'm going to do is, in order for this to work, I'm just going to put this bar right up here. I'm going to get my selection tool, and I'm going to select this whole picture. Let's make sure it's in this mode. I'm going to select this whole picture. And then I'm going to go in here and click on generative fill, and I'm going to say change this to purple. Change this color to purple. Do not change faces or hands. We just want to make sure it don't change more than we want to. And then we're going to hit generate. Let's see what happens. Now, you see, it changed that to purple. And the reason it only gave me one variation is because if you go to this G, you'll see that I'm in Genesis 2.5. Now, if I wanted 3 variations, I could come up here to Firefly image, and then I could tell it the same thing. This little G right here, let you choose which one of these you want. So I'm going to stick with Genesis for this particular tutorial. Now, if we go in here, now I'm going to change this. Let's change it to teal. And you see it's nice and light. And then I'm going to hit generate. It's going to change that couple and give it a teal type color. See, now I got a teal type color. So anything that you want to change, you can change it around however you want. Now I'm going to go back to my purple because I like the purple. Now here's something we can try. I'm going to go back here. What I'm going to do to make sure this works the way I want it to work, I'm going to flatten my image. Then I'm going to go back up here, get my selection tool. And I'm going to say, change image to upper angle. And then we're going to hit generate. Now you see, I got an overhead shot of that particular angle because I told AI to give me that shot. So this is just to show you how generative fill is operating now. So you can go from any angle that you can come up, use terminology as far as media, and you can create some amazing things. Let's try something else now. Let's go in here and find us a nice image. Okay, so we're going to find that image. I'm going to click on this image. Now I'm going to go find an image. Let's go get this image. Let's go find something that we could put in here. I'm gonna go down here and find, where is that image that I like? Let's try this one. Let's remove background. All right. And now let's slide her over. And this is where you see, I want her to match the lighting in this particular image. And this is where the new tool come in here. You see right here where it say Harmonize? Let's click on that. And now you're gonna see AI is going to make her fit into this image as far as the lighting and the ambient environment as far as what we're seeing in that particular image. You see how it mellowed out? It gave us 3 choices. So that one is cool. That one is too bright. I like this one, real mellow. So that's real tight. So you see, that gave us a real good shot as far as what we wanted to do. And that's the new Harmonize tool. So you can do so many different things in here with all of these new AI tools. And you see what I just did here. Now I'm gonna flatten this whole layer. And then I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna select my whole image. And then I'm gonna type in here, change car to red, change her jacket to red, do not change her face or hands. And then let's see what happens. Now you see, we got a red car, we got a red jacket. So I could do this with anything, any body, any picture, any image that I so choose. So I just want to show you, these are new tools in Photoshop, just came out, recent releases. This is not beta, this is in your regular program. So you know how to go to Photoshop if you want to update your software so you can see these tools in there. So again, we got the new generative field, as I just showed you several examples. We got the Harmonize tool, and we got the background remove. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And now you see it's getting better and better as far as AI, artificial intelligence. Some of these things used to be so difficult. So it's just very, very pleasing to see some of these things in Photoshop, Premiere, and some of the other software that we share with you as far as creating content and designing art. Hey, my name is Dan Land Pro. It's always a pleasure. Don't forget, youtube.com, Steppers Express, Dan Land Pro, Webmaster Dan. Subscribe. And don't forget, TikTok, as well as YouTube, Instagram, and others. Peace.